Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and here is another nail show. Nail show is a series that I came up with where I just paint my nails and I talk with you guys and we talk about everything and anything, including about the nail polish that I'm using, and I just talk with you and you guys like it a lot. I'm so happy about it. I get so many comments that my videos actually relax you and that you just get that positive vibe of them, and what amazing comment to receive that painting my nails and just my personality is actually having a voice in this YouTube land of ours, and I'm so grateful that every single one of you is here. You know that I actually do lots of different videos on my channel that are like helping you grow your nails and giving you tips and tricks and nail art tutorials and everything, but in the nail shows we just talk and it's like a vlog, but I'm painting my nails. I hope that makes sense if you're new, just so you know what this is about. And I have many of nail shows and other videos on my channel, so make sure you check them out and subscribe if you're interested in this. I would really love to have you as part of my YouTube family, and here we are all friends and we're just kind of hanging out, and I'm so happy to have such a support, even though some people are bigger here on YouTube. But I do feel like, you know, even if one person watches you and supports you, it does mean a lot. And honestly, every single comment and every like and subscribe and view counts for me, not just like as a view, but actually that some people want to come on my channel and watch me do my nails and talk about any topic at all. It's very flattering. So I'm thankful to have you here. I did apply this yellow nail polish in 3 coats by OPI, and I will have all the names and everything in the description box below. I want to apply all my nail polishes as realistic as possible, and then in a different video I can give you a tip on how to actually make any nail polish pop, like those bright colors. There's a trick for it, maybe some of you know it, but I will film a video for those who are interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in comments. I love hearing from you, and I will talk with you in my other video. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!